Guys, I've been wanting to tell you something for so long and I've been holding it all in, and now I'm finally gonna be able to tell you. Started a couple of months ago when I saw a post on Shein's Instagram that they are doing a Fearless campaign giveaway. I never do these things because I never ever think that I'm going to win them, and so I don't know what came over me, but I was just like, all right, I'm gonna do it. I posted a picture of myself on Instagram with a caption talking about, you know, my dreams and my passions, and maybe a month or so later, I see that I'm tagged in an Instagram post by Shein. And I'm like, so I go on Instagram and I see that I'm tagged on Shein's page. And I immediately just like get nervous. Like my heart dropped into my stomach. I was at work at the time. And I go on their Instagram page and I see this. That's literally me. I was the Shein Fearless giveaway winner. Oh my gosh, I almost passed out. It was the craziest thing ever. I was like, there's no way, there's no way. So then I literally did not know what to do at this point. I'm just like calling my dad, I'm calling my mom. I'm like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I won the Shein Fearless giveaway. And at that point, I really didn't know what that meant for me. I just knew that this is gonna be crazy. So they tell me that they're gonna contact me in a couple of days. And at that point, I just was so ecstatic. And I really didn't know like what I was going to be doing or what this really meant for me. And so then, you know, a couple weeks later, I started to get more information. So right now, this is the big news. Right now, in just a couple of days, I'm flying out to LA with Shein, and they're putting me up in a hotel, and the whole 3 days that I'm there, I'm gonna be doing just amazing stuff with Shein. I don't wanna tell you guys everything that I'm doing while I'm there because I want it to be a surprise, and there will be a video that comes out with just everything that I've done while I'm there. But I wanted to tell you guys that I'm so excited, and I hope that you guys will follow my journey while I'm in LA with Shein because they are amazing, and I am so excited for what they have in store for me, and this is a dream come true. Besides me kind of revealing this exciting news to you guys, they sent me 3 giant boxes of shoes, accessories, and clothes, all from Shein. This is kind of like a preview into like my 3-day trip there and like things that I'm gonna be wearing while I'm there. I also have like so many things. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wear all of them while I'm there, but I am gonna show you guys some of my favorite pieces that they sent me. I also want to thank Shein so much for this amazing opportunity. I am speechless. I cannot believe that I won this, and honestly, like, it is a dream come true. This is a zipper down cheetah skirt, and it's so cute, and the material is kind of like velvety, and you know, animal print is in right now. So this is like the perfect little skirt to wear. You could take something like this and wear it with tights, and it looks so chic. Also, I really wanted to try all of these on, but I just went through all of them like yesterday and tried all of them on, and it was extremely tiring. So here's like a blazer dress that they sent me, and it has like shorts and little buttons, and it is so cute for the winter. I'm obsessed with it. I'm always worried when I buy rompers because I'm really short and I'm never sure if they're gonna fit me, but this one fits me so perfectly and I can't wait to wear it. Guys, I'm obsessed with this. This is a big furry coat with black, white, and gray colors. And it is so perfect for the winter. I am obsessed with this and I can't wait to wear it. I'll probably wear it on the plane so it can be all cozy and fashionable at the same time. Thank you so much, I love this. All right, here is another coat that I am so obsessed with. Some pearl buttons, and I love the color because it matches everything. It has kind of like a shimmery texture, and this is so perfect for the winter. I know I keep saying I'm obsessed with everything, but literally what? It is so perfect. Oh my gosh, like it couldn't get much more perfect than this boot. I'm gonna wear this all the time. I am in love with everything about this boot. This is amazing. Since it's winter, I got a bunch of different coats with a lot of fur because it is my favorite. I'm going to put this one on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. It is so cute. Guys, oh my gosh. I'm wearing a pretty hefty sweater right now, so it's not gonna fit perfectly, but look at this. Yes. Guys, the sweaters just keep on coming. So you know how I was saying that animal print is in and I'm really getting into these sweaters? Well, I kind of brought both of them together for, guys, oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, and it's so soft. I love everything about this. Look at the embroidery. I am just gonna show a couple more pieces because I don't wanna give everything away, but literally this is another amazing piece that I was worried wouldn't fit me, but it is so perfect. This is like the top with like the furry neckline and bottom. Oh my gosh, and it comes with a matching bottom, this skirt with like the furry end. Such a cute set. I wanted to get something really sporty and cute that I can wear with boots. And here is, I'm gonna zipper it up so you guys can see it better. But this is like a really sporty, really cute dress with kind of like a turtleneck. And I could totally wear this with high black boots. It's so cute, so sporty, and like very comfortable. So just another amazing piece to add to the list. So this dress is so sexy and I love the colors. It goes over the shoulder just like this, and it is the best material. It's stretchy and it will be perfect for a little Christmas party or something coming up in the near future. Okay, I'm gonna show you just a couple more things because I want you guys to be excited when you see more of the stuff that I got. But here is a pair of shoes that they sent me that are so cute, and I was saying that I wanted to wear black boots with my sporty dress. Here are the most perfect boots to wear with that dress. I am so excited to wear these. These are one of those boots that you can literally wear with anything. Okay, two more things. I wanted to show you guys some of the handbags they sent me. Look at this. This is so cute. I have never seen a bag with these kinds of handles, and I think it's like super unique, and the colors would really just go good with anything. So this is just amazing, and I haven't really looked inside yet, but there is tons of space inside. I haven't even taken out the paper, but just a really cute bag to go out with, and I love it. And one more bag just to kind of complete everything. Take a look at this little black bag. I'm in love with it. It actually looks kind of like Louis Vuitton's brand new line with the V. Kind of like a little dupe, you know, but it's cute, and also comes with a strap that you can attach to it and wear it in many different styles. If you guys have seen my other Shein review videos, you know that I really love their brand and I really love their clothes. So this is just like wild for me that I'm just literally being sent to LA to meet Shein and like wear all of their amazing clothes. So I really wanted to share this with you, so I'm glad I finally have this off of my chest. LA, I am ready for you, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.